So Beyond Meat yesterday pledged certain revenue as a security for repayment of bonds. The trust agreed to act on behalf of the holders of bonds and represent their interests with Wellington Trust. So what's that mean for Beyond Meat? Are we going to have some interesting gain coming up? Because this one, the maturity for this bond until 2030. So 4 years ahead. So that's why the price for Beyond Meat, we don't have any significant increase. We are down 2%. However, this kind of news will affect the price in the big picture. So we have to discuss that in today's video. Before we go further, remember our content here for education purposes only. So as you can see, we got an interesting news development. And as you can see here, Beyond Meat just signed supplemental indenture with Wilmington Trust, and of course, this signed effective was yesterday, and the duration until 2030. However, if we go in the technical, we see that the price is still holding tightly over the 95 cents. So this is a good sign that the 95 cent is a strong support that we should hold. And we might consolidate here for a while until we have a big buyer. And the confirmation for the big buyer will come if we broke over the 108. So we have to adjust the level right now and keep the resistance lower around the $1.08, and after that the other level of resistance is around the 125 and then almost the $1.60. So in the big picture, guys, if everything went well and we held the 95 and preferably over the 81, because we might drop from the 97, the 95, the 81 should be the support for this month. And the current resistance for this week, even before Friday, is the $1.08. So put alert, guys, around exactly the $1.08, because once we break this level, we're going to have a confirmation for early squeeze. So for now, we need 12% in gain or 10% in total, because right now we are 2% down. So 10% in gain would be a good sign that Beyond Meat started to move, because lately we already reversed here almost 30% from the bottom, guys, from the 81 in the beginning of this year. So if you just see the gain of this year, Beyond Meat is up 32%, or from now is up almost 18%. So it's not bad for a gain for this year. However, in this year, we need to break the $1.08 or be 30% in total. And after this 30%, we need another almost another 40% to confirm that we are on the reversal zone. Because as you can see here, if we overcome the 160, would be confirming that we actually make the short cover up, and this will give us the 220 and almost the 3. But for now, we have to focus on the main resistance, not the 2, not the $1.25, but the $1.08, and the current support between the 95 and 81, or prefer the bottom should be over the 80 cents for this year and this month, to confirm that we still have the buyer on our back. Because if we don't have the buyer on our back, or if the buyers who bought the around the 80 cent um, got out, yes, we're gonna have a huge drastic change in the price level for Beyond Meat and have a new low for this year around the 66. But for now, we currently holding this breakout that we did on Wednesday, 7th of January last week. So tomorrow is Wednesday, so 1 week. We're still holding for this level for 1 week. Imagine, guys, over the 95 for 1 week. So this is a good sign that we have a big buy over the 95. And of course, if we consolidate and we're still holding, we're gonna have the breakout. And this time we do another 30%. So you see here, guys, we did 30%, and the price then pulled back. And now we are just near the support, and we wait for another 30% around the 25. You tell me this is a coincidence. Let me know, guys, in the comment section below. Is this coincidence, or the market maker actually know exactly, or they do it automatically with the bot trading for them 30%, sell 30%, sell 30%, sell. So they actually control the traffic and the volume for Beyond Meat. So let me know, guys, in comment section below. Are we gonna have the breakout for this week? Are we gonna is the price manipulated for Beyond Meat right now or not? Because as you can see here, 30% jump, and the other level that we already tested right now on our technical, just from the technical point of view, from the 95 until the $1.25 is 30% precisely. Just do this from your side. I'm not saying this without you checking. Just check, go to the chart and check what's the levels percentage that we did before 30%, and just calculate from the 95 and 25, and you see 30%, and from here to there almost 30%, as you can see here, almost 28%. This is crazy, man. So we're gonna do update for Beyond Meat for tomorrow as usual, because today we did a really good trade for on our Discord and Patreon for our hunters for AHMA. You see, this one was really great before the market opened by almost 2 hours. We did this update on our Discord, on our pre-market watches that we do daily. You can join us, guys, the link comment section below. The price hit the 12, then almost the 1560, and then pulled back and never recovered. So this one was really great in the pre-market. The other trade that we did today in pre-market before even market open, PCTX, we broke the 1135, we hit the 14, and the price actually again never recovered after that. So make sure to join us, guys, in the pre-market tomorrow, because we're going to discuss the market before the market open, and of course we're going to discuss Beyond Meat if we have a breakout or change in the levels first on Discord and Patreon. After that, we're going to discuss it together on our on YouTube 30 minutes before the market open. Thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow.